Hello everyone! Today I would like to talk to you about hibiscus tea. I just love it, and the first time that I tried it, I believe Gabriel and I were in Colombia. It's called agua de Jamaica, so because they call it like Jamaican flower, flor de Jamaica. I think that many countries in Latin America make this hibiscus flower infusion. In Mexico in particular, I mean, you go like to Walmart in Mexico and they have a bulk section of dried hibiscus flowers. Like, people just scoop it out, you know, and very popular in Mexico. When we were in Thailand as well, they have their own version. They call it roselle tea. They drink it a lot, I think, in some African countries. It's actually not very floral tasting, it's very tart. In this video, I want to show you how to make the hibiscus tea the way that I like to kind of customize it to my own taste. Really good. So just something. I really didn't like the footage from my other video, but that was the only video that I actually had hibiscus tea. I don't have it anymore today. So I was tasting it, I was, showing it. So I'm just gonna add that part in probably. Sorry for, the confusion. I really love it. It's like a fruit punch because I added the lime and the natural sweetener. I added a bit of mint, just to add that freshness. I also expect a floral taste from hibiscus, but you don't really get it. That's why I like to add a bit of rosewater. And I just want to talk about a few benefits of drinking it, because I would drink it anyway if there were no benefits. When I read How Not to Die by Dr. Michael Greger, amazing book by the way, he talks a lot about hibiscus and antioxidants. So he talks about this study. There was a comparison of antioxidant content of 280 common beverages. Hibiscus tea ranked number 1. Can you believe it? From 280 common beverages, like everything from soda pop, like Coca-Cola, to like matcha and all of these high antioxidant beverages. Usually we talk a lot of green tea and matcha, and yes, of course, it's very high on antioxidants, but no one talks about hibiscus tea, which is higher. It's amazing. And if you don't know, you're like, okay, who cares about antioxidants? What do those even do? Well, first of all, because you're drinking it as an infusion in liquid form, it goes into your bloodstream very quickly. So within an hour, the antioxidants in hibiscus tea enter your bloodstream and your system absorbs them within an hour. So what effects do these have on our health? I'm going to tell you. Antioxidants are molecules that help fight compounds called free radicals, which cause damage to your cells. You've probably heard of free radicals. Just think of all the pollution in the air. There are diseases caused by the buildup of free radicals in our body, which means that by drinking something like hibiscus tea, which has antioxidants, which fights off free radicals, you're helping your body fight off those diseases. So another benefit of drinking hibiscus tea is that it lowers blood pressure. So actually that's like the main reason that people have given it attention. It was just as good as any drug to lower blood pressure. And of course, without all of these side effects. Hibiscus tea is also antibacterial. It will help you fight off general common illnesses like infections, you know, bronchitis, pneumonia, urinary tract infections. I hope that you will try hibiscus tea because it is delicious. It's easy to make, very easy. It's not like the cheapest thing in the world, but it's also not expensive at all. I mean, if you're used to buying tea in general, it's the same price as regular tea. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to make a video soon about something that has happened in my life recently. My life is changing completely. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to tell you about it, so stay tuned for the next video. Definitely subscribe. If you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Just subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Join the Holistic Maya family. It makes me so happy. And yeah, definitely leave me a comment down below. Tell me, have you tried hibiscus tea? Do you like it? Do you hate it? And what kind of beverages do you enjoy? Whether they're very healthy or whether they're very unhealthy. Also, thumbs up. Don't forget, YouTube algorithm. Thumbs up and comments truly help me get recommended more. My YouTube channel is unfortunately demonetized. It has been since a few years. Okay, so take care of yourselves and bye.